guys, uh, today I'm gonna show you another 6x6 paper pack by All About Scrapbooking made by Hallmark, and this is the Happy Times theme. It has a 10 designs, 5 each per design. So let's take a look at the designs that they have. This one is the more checkered green and white. I like the bear. I believe all the designs they have bears. So let's take a look at the other designs. This one, I like this one. It has a celebrate memories, happy birthday, make a wish, pop messages, and then five, and then this one. This is my favorite design in this theme. And then five pieces per design. So all in all, it has a 50 sheets. And then this the fourth one. Yeah, fourth one, the fourth design. And then the fifth. I like this one, the flower. Pwede mo siyang gupitin and then gawing design sa ibang like card, scrapbook, making card. And then this more on celebrate word and checkered pink and white. There's a bear again. And then this one. And then the next one. This one, I love this one. Second favorite design in this theme. And then checkered again, pink and white. And then I think the last design is this one, green. It says forever friends, and there's a cupcake, and then the petals. So this is it, the Happy Times collection 6x6 printed paper pads by Hallmark. And stay tuned for more paper packs that I will share. Thanks guys, bye.